So hello learners, how are you all? So today I'm here with another topic. As we all know that every day we are discussing about different topics to improve our English speaking and enhance our communication skill. So today I'm going to talk about how to become successful, because I think many times you type this word on Google and YouTube and any search engine to know the points how to become successful in life, how to become successful in career. So you might got some points like hard working, luck and discipline and consistency and patience. So there are lots of points you can follow to become successful, but I'm not going to tell you those points because you already go through that points. So today I'm going to talk about two main point which is very important to become more successful in your life, to become more good in your career. So let's start from the point one. So point one, and this is a summary of lots of videos and speeches how to become successful. The first point is burning desire. It means urge. If you want to do anything with your heart and you are very passionate towards complete this thing, so it's called burning desire. It means you have committed to accomplish that thing in anyhow, in any situation. So this is called burning desire. It means, and most of the time you also you also listen this word, lots of speeches or motivational speaker like Sandeep Maheshwari and Vivek Bindra and lots of speakers also said about this, the burning desire. It's very important. This is first point. So if you want to become successful and become very good in your career, so you have to be a keep a burning desire in you to become more successful. This was the first point. And second point is leave your comfort zone, because this is the second, which is very important thing, because lots of people started many things. Someone started business, someone started coaching, someone started their company, but what is the difference between someone is going to succeed and other is not? Because everyone is not going to do hard work or to become consistent as others. So this was the second thing which is very important. Leave your comfort zone, because we all know that we feel good in our comfort zone. If I am laying on the bed and scrolling mobile phones, so I feel very comfortable and good to keep continuously watching the reels and videos. I don't have to go anywhere to do anything. So this is very important to leave your comfort zone, because if you will not leave your comfort zone, you are not going to become success. Because most of the successful people, they are not living in their comfort zone. They are doing great works on the daily basis. So that was the 2 point, which is a summary of lots of speeches, lots of books. That was the only two things: burning desire and leave your comfort zone. You are going to become successful in your life. Just you have to follow these 2 points. So that was the thing which I shared with you all today, and I think this video is valuable for you. So keep learning, keep listening, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video. So thanks for today.